Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Genius app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. Help you decide if this mobile app can be a game changer for you. And this review is based on collective data. So let's quickly dive into it. The Genius app is a great for music lovers who want a verified song lyrics, artist insight, and behind the scenes stories. It's fast, easy to navigate, and it includes features like lyric annotation, music recognition for discovery songs instantly. Also, it's a quick, informative, and a perfect for discovering the stories behind your favorite track. However, ads can be very distracting on the mobile app, and also some lyrics or explanation aren't as always fully accurate. So in conclusion, it's a fun, useful app for music lovers who want more context with their playlist. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.